Okay friends, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy budget meal. And this is a macaroni and ground beef skillet meal. Very easy to do. So right here I've got, actually let me tell you while my pan's heating up, I've got a pound of my burger. And I may have to put a little bit of oil in my pan because this is really, really lean. And I am using my stewed tomatoes, my home canned stewed tomatoes. So I have got garlic and I've got onions and celery in here. So I don't need to add any of that when I cook up my beef. Everything's in here. All I'm going to have to add to this is a little salt and pepper. And I'm going to use 2 cups of elbow macaroni. So with that, let's get this burger fried up. Okay. Wow. Get out of there. There we go. All right. Yeah, this is really lean burger. I think this was my ground stir one that I got. But I got it on sale, so that's a plus. And this is almost a budget meal. Even if you bought your tomatoes in the jar or canned tomatoes, this meal would still be well under $5 if you get your burger on sale. Okay, I'm just going to let that brown up a little bit. It doesn't need to be cooked completely through because this is all going to simmer in here all together for about 25 minutes or so. So let me get that browned up a little bit and then we'll move on to the next. Okay friends, I'm back. This is nice and brown. I don't need to drain any grease off this because it was very lean, nor did I didn't have to add any to it because I had just enough in there. But I'm going to dump my quart of tomatoes in here, juice and all, and I'm also going to dump my 2 cups of noodles. I'm going to mix this all up real good. Now I'm going to have to add a little water because it's going to need a little more juice to cook these noodles down. I'm going to get this mixed in real good. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. I'm going to add my salt. And my pepper. You never have enough pepper. And I'm going to put about, I might have to add a little more to it, but I'm going to put about a cup of this water in here for right now. And I'm just going to keep a close eye on this. I'm going to let it simmer away here for about a good 25-30 minutes. And that's all it's going to take. And you'll have yourself a quick, delicious budget meal. So let's put the lid on. And in 25 minutes to a half an hour, I will be back. Alright friends, I decided I was going to add a little of my Italian seasoning to this. Just about a good tablespoon. That's all I'm going to need. I just think it would taste much better with that in there. Give that a mix. I'll put the lid back on and I'll let it go. Okay friends, this is done. It's been a half an hour. It went for about 30 minutes. I did have to add just a little more liquid to it. And you may have to do that, and that's all right. You can add either a little tomato juice to it. I just added water. But anyway, that's how nice it turned out. We're going to dish some of this up for Mr. Wayna. There you go. That's a beautiful, easy budget meal, ground beef and macaroni skillet meal. So there you have it, friends. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching.